Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I just had a major catastrophe, and so I wiped the paint off and I had this stripy sort of background, and I decided to have a play. So I just put the paint on raw, there's no pouring medium in these, and I was going over it with my hand, and I thought I should be filming this because it's coming up rather nice. So there you go, and this is what I'm going to be doing. Just lightly rubbing it over and getting all the lovely colours through. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Hand swipe, who would have thought? Alright, here we go. Oops, that's a bit heavy. Don't want to be too heavy-handed. And I'll do this one again. I missed a couple of spots. Okay. Oh, look at my pretty hand. Okay, so just touching here and there. So who needs to go out and buy who knows what to do a swipe when you have beautiful hands? And I like this. Okay. Pretty awesome. Okay, so just pat some colour around the edges here. Pick up with that red. Oh, there's some more red there. I like red. So the colours that I've used here were red, yellow ochre, white and vermilion. And that white line there's not so good, is it? Alright, so I'm just going to rinse my hands off now and give it a bit of a torch. See what we have. There might be some cells, but I don't care if there isn't. That's a brilliant background for something. Oh yes, I'll put one of my stencils on this, and it's actually very nice just the way it is. Oh, there's some stencils, or I'd rather like it up and down like the way you're looking at it too. That looks really good. But when it's dry, I'll have a look and decide what to do with it, and probably make this one part one and go the other way. I always do it the wrong way. Probably make this one part one and then put something on it. but it's really nice. I like it. So the recipes for the paints and pouring medium below show more under this video. And goodness, that is pretty. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.